everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into Metro Bank account. For that, first of all, open Metro Bank mobile banking application on your device. Once the application is open, you will see this interface. Here you will have two options. If you haven't opened an account in Metro Bank online banking, then simply tap on I would like to open an account option. To log in, simply tap on I have a Metro account. From here, you have to tap on I accept to confirm that you have accepted all of the terms and conditions of Metro Bank. From here, your login process has been begun. You just have to enter your customer number or username right over here. If you do not remember your customer number or username, then simply tap on forgotten your customer number or username option right here. Then tap on continue. On the next page, you will be asked to enter your password. Simply enter your password and then you will be successfully logged into Metro Bank. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.